You driving? Were you driving the car? There she goes. It's hard to do when you got crackers in your hands, isn't it? Peanut butter crackers. That was a nice little dance, kiddo. No, don't go that way. You're not big enough for that yet. You can go down the slide. Yeah, there's the slide. Slide. How many slides, Caitlin? Can you count the slides? Is it 3 slides? Yummy crackers. Yay! Maniac! Can you do your maniac dance? Maniac! Alright, tell her bye. See you guys later. I'm at the playground eating crackers.